What's up, Goddess Gang? Today we are back with another video, and today we are finally unboxing another Madam Glam manicure kit. And you guys, literally, is this not the cutest thing you have seen since fall? I know it's not fall yet, you guys, but OMG, you guys, literally so adorable. So they gave me 2 of this color. I'm assuming one of them is going to be for you guys. And yeah, so here's 4 little minis. They're called Madam Glam minis, and I'm just like, oh my gosh, such a dream come true, because I love the Madam Glam polishes, but to have them in the mini bottles is, like I said, you guys, a dream come true. This you can take with you if you go out to the beach, or you have like a little mini vacay. You guys already know that you can cure these polishes with the little mini flash cure lamp that Madam Glam has sent me in one of my original unboxings. If you guys haven't seen that one, I will go ahead and post it on the blog post for this video. But yes, you guys, literally obsessive. I'm so happy and excited to be unboxing these. And I did want to show you guys, so these are like the regular bottles, and you guys can see like the size difference. These little ones are super convenient for traveling and just being able to, I imagine, like if you're like a last minute person when it comes to your nails, these would be so good, because you can be running out the door and be like, oh crap, let me grab my Madam Glam real quick, my Madam Glam minis, okay? And yeah, anyways, I'm really excited about the colors. We did go ahead and swatch the colors, so you guys are going to see that. I also did go ahead and show you guys the colors up front, real nice, close, and personal, so you guys can see. And as you guys know, Madam Glam formula is vegan, cruelty-free, HMA-free, environmentally friendly, and also 21 free formula. So 21 toxin free formula means that this polish doesn't have a lot of the toxins that other polishes have, at least this brand. So I really love that about them, and I love the application. It is very forgiving, especially for beginners. I would definitely recommend this. And if you are a beginner and you do go the Madam Glam route, then you will not be regretful, and it is not a waste of money. I have spent lots of money on gel polishes that were not the best quality, and this is really amazing. This formula, this brand, these polishes, the color selection, when you guys see how they all look applied to the nails. And you guys, literally 1 coat on this and it was a full coverage moment for most of the nails. Not for the last one, but I think I just didn't do a thick enough application, and they all cured very beautifully. And the end result, I don't have any top coat or anything on them. My cat is misbehaving because she wants to go outside, but she's not gonna go outside. There's mosquitoes, and so they come in the house, and then they like just stake up places, like in the bathroom and in my work area, in my bedroom. And every time I go certain areas of my home, I literally get bitten by mosquitoes. So she's not allowed to go out at nighttime, but she'll get over it. This was my favorite, you guys. Literally so beautiful, especially with this complexion. So we have Lucy modeling for us today. Oh my gosh, you guys, my cats are playing between the door, like underneath the door. So that's what all this noise is. I was trying to figure it out. But here is the final result. This was 1 coat application, and I wanted to get a really nice zoomed in view for you guys. You literally cannot beat this. Can you believe? It took me like, well, this video isn't very long and I did speed it up, but literally Took me not even 5 minutes just to do the 4 fingers and 1 coat application. You guys know you can save 30% on Madam Glam polishes with my discount code GoddessNails30, and I love you guys so much. I'll see you on the next video, you guys. Bye.